Hello everyone, my name is Atul Mehta and this video about the basics of businesses. Okay, in this video we will learn about fundamental concept of businesses and how they apply in the modern world. So if you find something interesting in this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't wasting more time, let's go.
What is businesses? Businesses involve exchanging goods or services between two parties, usually for profit. It can be a small local establishment or a large global corporation. For example, as we know, a local coffee shop that sells coffee and pastry is an example of a small business that makes money by selling products to customers who pay for them. And next example, as you know, like a large corporation sell product globally. They have suppliers, retailers, and distributors to reach customers and make profit. The second section is understanding the market. The market is where businesses compete to sell their product or services. Knowing the market is crucial for success. For example, before launching a new product, a company must research the market to gauge demand. By understanding their target audience needs, they can create a product that meets those needs and generate profits. Financial management. Financial management involves handling a company's finances to ensure profitability and sustainability. For example, if a company spends more than its earn, it may go bankrupt. So, managing finances involve tracking income and expenses, creating budgets and forecasting revenue. When we complete above three steps, we move on marketing and advertising. Marketing and advertising are vital for any successful businesses. They help companies reach their target audience and promote their product or services. For example, companies can use social media, email marketing, or paid advertising to connect with their target audience. By creating ads and messages, they attract new customers and retain existing ones. Next one is innovation and adaptation. Innovation and adaptation are essential for businesses to stay competitive. Firms must embrace new technologies and market trends to remain relevant. For example, companies like Apple and Google continuously innovate and introduce new products. Staying ahead allows them to maintain a competitive edge and generate profits. Now we come to the end of this video. In this video, we understanding the fundamentals of businesses is essential for anyone looking to start their own business or work in the business world. By understanding the market, managing finances, and staying ahead of the curve, businesses can remain competitive and profitable in today's ever-changing world. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you.